My name is Isabelle. I am a pageant organizer of Miss and Mrs. Fashion World, President of Women Leader International Network, Malaysia, an entrepreneur, as well as a mother of 2. We used to get bored on home-cooked food, and I saw a friend has a positive change in her lifestyle as she could cook lots of delicious dishes. And it made me wonder how she could have time to cook all that. So I went for a demo and I bought it without a second thought. As a cancer survivor of 2 years, I know the importance of eating right. Thermomix could achieve all the healthy cooking criteria. Its temperature control maintains the food nutrients and the freshness, where it improved my appetite and I could eat healthy. At the same time, not easily bored with the home-cooked food. And there are plenty of recipes for us to explore with the cookie from the cookie dough. And I could cook healthy diet. There are gluten-free, low sugar, oil-free, non-fried, and no MSG diet. And it's helped my cancer condition all under control easily. It is a miracle and a wonder machine. After using Thermomix, my hubby has no longer has sinus problem. He said it is a good investment where we could save a lot of money on the medical fee. I even bought another machine for my confinement center, as I wanted the new mother in my center to eat healthy as they recuperate from giving birth.